How to see WhatsApp broadcast list info on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. Click on the broadcast channel you want to see list of. Then, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen on the broadcast. In here, you will find broadcast list info at the top, which is the first option. Click on it. Then you will find all the list info of the broadcast channel in here. You will see all the information of the people who are in the broadcast, and you can also add to a list if you're the admin. This is how to see WhatsApp broadcast list info on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.